How to auto saved after receiving. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off auto saved after receiving on Imo app. Easy and quick. So first thing, go to your application. Once you are here, click on your profile icon up there. Now click on settings and you're gonna find storage and data between those settings. Click on it and here you have auto saved after receiving. Now turn off or on those options, which is photos and videos, wherever you want. And photos and video received from contact will be saved to your phone gallery automatically if this option turn it on. And this is it. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like if this video was helpful to you.